I saw a set of boys drumming, and when we were drumming, the drum was making a sound. And while the drum was being drummed, so the boy drumming was doing something like this. Now, to do the action, we start with the right arm, then with the left arm. Then we do it separately. So we do something like now, to make it more interesting, you can ask them to do it faster. Everybody, let's go faster. So that is sound. Now, and when we're drumming, we make sound. So this is sound. So everybody, let's write sound. So this is how it looks like. So when you see this shape, so we say it is sound. When you see this shape, we say it is sound. Good. So this is sound. Now after this, now we do blending. So we blend with the previous sound that we started. So let's go. Can we do some blending with this sound? Number one, we have Good. Now I want us to stretch for our blending arm and do the blending for this. The first sound, second, last, again. Now play. Again. Faster. Good. So the third time you can repeat again to the fourth keys depending on your interest. Okay. So that is. Now, can we do more blending with this sound? More blending aside from this? More blending. We have. We've not done. Have we done sound up? No, we've not done up. Yes. So down. Yes. What we do? They can't pronounce this. Yes. Because the sound in the video is one sound. And here that is separate. Okay? So rather, we do something like, say, the A and K. Okay? That. Yes, you can have something like that. Aside from the A, okay? We've not done R and A together. Yeah, they don't know the sound yet. Yes. So, what's up the A? Yes. And down. This one is down. This correct. Okay. Down. Yes, correct. Down. Correct. Okay. Can we have more? Yes. Oh, this one. We can't do this one. Yes, because that sound is a good sound, so we've not done that. Okay, you can't pronounce this one yet. Okay. Okay. Can we continue?
Yes.
Okay. Hope it's not boring.
No.
Thank you. Now, this is the end of the second group. So move to the third group. Before we go, let's learn the song of this last song. Let's learn it. All my drums, playing drum is lots of fun with the da 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 Okay, now I want us to do it together. The third time, please. Let's do very well. 1, 2, ready, go. Singing, play on my drum, playing drum is lots of fun with the da 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 da. Singing, play on my drum. Thank you.